Her Royal Highness Inkhosatane Temaswati led all the maidens of Imbali regiment in cutting the reed at Mpisi farm. The high-spirited maidens maintain or rather managed to cut quality reed, we will report.
Maidens arrived safely at Mpisi farm after being commissioned by His Majesty King Mswati III at Ngabizweni Royal Residence. Having spent the night resting, they engaged in colorful song and dance in preparation for the journey to cut reed. The thousands of excited maidens from all across the kingdom and other countries were led by Her Royal Highness Inkhosatane Temaswati. Upon reaching Mpisi farm, the cutting of reed commenced. Inkhosatane Temaswati was first to cut reed. Her Royal Highness was closely followed by Inkhosatane Tebukhosi and Inkhosatane Temashayina. Thereafter, Indvuna Nonduduzo Zubugo also cut reed. Before the rest of the regiment cut reed, Indvuna delivered a special message from Her Majesty the Queen Mother. Inkhosatane Temaswati said she is highly impressed by the success of this year's reed cutting.
Singabakhuthaza nje kakhulu ukuthi vele batiphathe kahle nala noma shuka la emigwaqweni batiphathe ngendlela yokuthi nalabanye abantu babuke bahawukele ukuthi akhona emhlangeni bafune kuba part of le group babuke ngale ndlela lesitiphatha ngayo next nje nanoma sisekhona la Mpisi farm nawo baphathane kahle nala silele khona baphathe kahle bomakhelwane babo kube bede necabana baqhubeke nje imbali so far kude nalokubile sikuvile singajabula nje siyabonga nalokuthi vele solo batiphethe kahle siyakhuthaza nje lo moya lo ukuthi awuqhubeke size uqede lo msebenzi.
On Friday morning, the maidens will march back to Rutsitsine Royal Residence with the reed. Reporting for Swazi TV News, I am Sandile Makanya with Temba Mamba at Mpisi Farm.